Hello everyone, welcome back to How Today. Airdrops are a great way to earn some free tokens, and today I will show you how to claim your DOGS Airdrop on ByBit. So let's get started. First, log into your ByBit account, and if you don't have one, you will need to create an account and complete any necessary verifications before you can claim the airdrop. Navigate to the airdrop section in your account dashboard. Check if you are eligible for the DOGS Airdrop by looking for the relevant campaign or promotion. If you are eligible, you should see an option to claim your DOGS tokens. Click on the Claim Now button and follow any additional instructions such as sharing on social media or completing tasks. Once claimed, the DOGS token will be credited to your ByBit wallet. Go to your wallet section to verify that the tokens have been successfully added. And that's how you claim your DOGS Airdrop on ByBit. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.